open symbol and search for USD CAD. And then set the time frame to 15 minutes. Then click on the indicators to install the first indicator to the chart. In the search area, type for Elliott wave oscillator. And click on this one to add it to the chart. This is how the Elliott wave oscillator looks on the chart. Now to change the adjustments, click on the settings and in the input section, change the SMA1 length to 25 and then change the SMA2 length to 50. Then in the style section, follow my steps. The Elliott wave oscillator would be our main indicator, which gives us our buy and sell signals. So whenever the histogram changes from red to green, it would be our long signal. So this is our trigger candlestick. And we can put a buy order. And also, whenever the histogram changes from green to red, that would be our short signal. So this candle would be our trigger candlestick. And we can put our sell order at the close price of this candlestick. So now let's see some examples on Ethereum 15-minute chart. Here the histogram changes from green to red. So this would be our short signal. And here the histogram changed to green. So this would be our buy signal. And the next signal would be another short signal. Now let's check it out on Bitcoin 1-minute time frame. Alright, now let's install our second indicator to the chart. But before that, if the video was useful so far, it could be a great encouragement if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now click on the indicators and then in the indicators window, in the search area, search for whole suite and pick this one. This is how the whole suite indicator looks on the chart. Now let's access its settings and in the input section, change the length from 55 to 200. So whenever the price action is above the whole suite line and the whole suite line is green, it means that the market is increasing. And whenever the price action is below the whole suite line and the whole suite is red, the momentum of the market is decreasing. So now let's see what are the trading rules by adding the whole suite indicator. So whenever we have a buy signal by the Elliott wave oscillator, we should wait for the price action to be above the whole suite line and the whole suite becomes green. So here the whole suite line changes from red to green. So this candlestick would be our trigger candle and we can put our buy order at the close price of the trigger candlestick. And whenever there's a sell signal by the Elliott wave oscillator, we should wait for the whole suite line to become red. So here the whole suite become red. Therefore, this would be our trigger candlestick. And we can place our sell order at the close price of our trigger candlestick. Now let's see some examples on gold 4-hour time frame. There's a sell signal by the Elliott wave oscillator and that signal is confirmed by the whole suite. So this is a valid short signal. And the next one is a valid long signal. Check out the next one. and see how profitable this trade was. 3.9% profit with this one on a spot mode, 1.86% by this long signal, 6.67% on a spot mode. Now it's time to add our final indicator to the chart. So search for STC indicator. Now access to its settings. There's no need to change any parameters in the input section. So now get into the style section and follow my steps. So this would be how our final setup looks on the chart. Now it's time to see the exact trading rules. So for a long signal to be valid, we need a valid long signal by the Elliott wave, and then the price action should be above the whole suite indicator, and the whole suite should be green. And for the final confirmation, we should check the STC indicator. The long signal is confirmed if the STC indicator line is green. So this long signal would be a valid long signal, and we can put our buy order at the close price of the trigger candlestick. I'm gonna set the stop loss slightly below the recent swing low, and you can exit the trade by the risk reward ratio of 1 to 2. So our take profit would be 2 times greater than the stop loss. And for a short signal to be valid, we need a short signal by the Elliott wave indicator, and the price action should be below the whole suite indicator, and the whole suite should be red. And for the final confirmation, the STC indicator line should be red. So this would be a valid short signal, and we can put our sell order at the close price of the trigger candlestick. And I'm gonna set the stop loss slightly above the recent swing high. I'm gonna exit the trade at the risk reward ratio of 1 to 2. Okay, now I hope you learned the strategy very well. So now let's do our backtesting for 100 trades on USD CAD 15-minute time frame. So here's the result after taking 100 trades. The win rate was 79%, which is absolutely great, and we could gain 316%. The backtesting period was 14 weeks, and during the backtesting, we had 4 consecutive wins against 2 consecutive losses. So the strategy worked pretty great. And if you want to learn another great trading strategy, you need to watch this video.